S22 Ultra has dynamic AMOLED display and iPhone 14 Plus has XDR OLED display. Galaxy S22 Ultra has 6.8 inches display and iPhone 14 Plus has 6.7 inches display. Here is the display resolution of both Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 14 Plus. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio of both Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus is 19.59. Pixel density of S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus is 500 ppi and 458 ppi. Here is the screen-to-body ratio of both Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus. Brightness nits of S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus is 1750 nits and 1200 nits. Operating system of Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus is Android version 12 and iOS v16. S22 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and iPhone 14 Plus has Apple A15 Bionic chipset. Here is the CPU process of Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 14 Plus. S22 Ultra has Adreno 730 GPU and iPhone 14 Plus has Apple 5-core Graphics GPU. The back camera of S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus can record video up to in 8K at 24 fps and 4K at 60 fps. Galaxy S22 Ultra has 40 megapixels front camera and iPhone 14 Plus has 12 megapixels front camera. The front camera of S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps. S22 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery and iPhone 14 Plus has 4323 mAh battery. S22 Ultra support 45W fast charging and iPhone 14 Plus support 20W fast charging. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones support reverse charging. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones have 15W wireless charging. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones have GPS. Galaxy S22 Ultra has in-display fingerprint sensor but iPhone 14 Plus doesn't. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones have face unlock. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones have NFC. Neither Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus have 3.5mm headphone jack. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones are water resistant. Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Plus is IP68.